Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: metabolism. We hear this word all the time, right? I have a slow metabolism, or she can eat anything and not gain weight. She must have a fast metabolism. But what does it really mean, and more importantly, can we actually do anything to boost it? The answer is a big why yes, and the best part is, we can do it naturally. So, if you've ever felt like your body's engine is just idling, stick around, because I'm about to share some powerful, science-backed tips to help you fire it up. First things first, let's quickly break down what metabolism is. In simple terms, it's the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. It is a complex biochemical process where calories in food and beverages are combined with oxygen to release the energy your body needs to function. Even when you're resting, your body needs energy for all its hidden functions, like breathing, circulating blood, adjusting hormone levels, and growing and repairing cells. This is your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, and it accounts for a huge chunk of your daily calorie burn. So when we talk about boosting our metabolism, we're really talking about increasing our BMR and the total number of calories we burn throughout the day. And no, you don't need magic pills or crazy diets. It's all about making smart, sustainable lifestyle changes. Let's start with the king of metabolism boosting, muscle. It's simple, really. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue does. For every pound of muscle you have, you burn roughly 6 calories a day just to maintain it, while a pound of fat burns only about 2 calories. That might not sound like a huge difference, but it adds up over time. This is why strength training is so crucial. You don't have to become a bodybuilder. Incorporating just 2 or 3 sessions of resistance training a week can make a significant impact. This could be lifting weights at the gym, using resistance bands at home, or even just doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. The more muscle mass you build, the higher your resting metabolism will be, meaning you'll be burning more calories around the clock, even while you're sleeping or watching TV. Next up, let's talk about the food on your plate. And the superstar nutrient here is protein. Your body actually burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting fats or carbs. This is called the thermic effect of food, or TEF. Eating a protein-rich meal can temporarily boost your metabolism by as much as 15 to 30%. So, make sure you're including a good source of lean protein in every meal. Think chicken breast, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, beans, and tofu. Not only does it help with metabolism, but protein also helps you feel fuller for longer, which can prevent overeating. It's a win-win situation. Now, what about what you drink? Hydration is key. Your body needs water for pretty much every process, including burning calories. Even mild dehydration can cause your metabolism to slow down. One study showed that drinking about half a liter of water can increase resting metabolism by 10 to 30% for about an hour. To make this an easy habit, carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. And if you want an extra little kick, try drinking cold water. Your body has to expend energy to warm the water up to body temperature, which burns a few extra calories in the process. It's a small boost, but every little bit helps. Another powerful beverage for your metabolism is green tea. It contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism. It also contains a bit of caffeine, which works synergistically with the catechins to increase the rate at which your body burns calories. Swapping out a sugary soda for a cup of unsweetened green tea is an incredibly simple and effective change you can make. Coffee can have a similar effect thanks to its caffeine content, which stimulates the central nervous system and can give your metabolism a nice jolt. Just be mindful of what you're adding to it. Loading it up with sugar and cream can easily negate the benefits. Let's move on to something that might surprise you. Don't starve yourself. Extremely low-calorie diets can be a disaster for your metabolism. When your body senses a severe calorie deficit, it goes into what's often called starvation mode. It thinks there's a famine, so it slows down your metabolic rate to conserve energy. This is a survival mechanism. This is why crash diets often backfire. You might lose weight initially, but a lot of it can be muscle, and your metabolism will plummet, making it incredibly easy to regain the weight and often more once you start eating normally again. Instead of drastic cuts, focus on eating enough nutrient-dense food to fuel your body properly. Consistency is far more effective than extremism. Spice up your life, literally. Certain spices, particularly chili peppers containing capsaicin, can give your metabolism a temporary boost. Capsaicin can slightly increase the number of calories your body burns. It's not a magic bullet, but adding a little bit of spice like cayenne pepper or chili flakes to your meals can contribute to your overall calorie expenditure. Plus, it makes your food more flavorful. Other spices like ginger and turmeric may also have modest metabolic benefits. Now, let's talk about activity, and I'm not just talking about your formal workout. I'm talking about NEAT, which stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is all the energy you expend for everything we do that is not sleeping, eating, or sports like exercise. It's things like walking to your car, typing, doing yard work, fidgeting, and even just standing up. You might be shocked to learn that NEAT can account for a significant portion of your daily calorie burn. People with naturally fast metabolisms are often just people who are unconsciously more active throughout the day, so look for ways to increase your NEAT. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park further away from the store entrance. Get a standing desk or just make a point to stand up and stretch every hour. Walk around while you're on the phone. These small movements accumulate and can make a massive difference to your metabolism over time. Finally, and this is a big one that often gets overlooked, get enough quality sleep. Sleep deprivation is a major disruptor of your hormonal balance. It can increase the hunger hormone, ghrelin, and decrease the fullness hormone, leptin. This combo makes you hungrier and less satisfied, often leading to cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods. Lack of sleep also messes with your insulin sensitivity and can increase cortisol, the stress hormone, which can signal your body to store fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. It's not a luxury, it's a non-negotiable for a healthy metabolism and overall well-being. So, to recap, there's no single magic trick. Boosting your metabolism naturally is about a holistic approach. Build and maintain muscle through strength training. Eat plenty of protein at every meal. Stay hydrated with water and consider adding green tea. Avoid crash diets and eat enough to fuel your body. Spice up your meals. Increase your daily movement with NEAT. And prioritize getting a good night's sleep. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you're not just trying to burn more calories, you're creating a healthier, more energetic, and more resilient body. It's about building a lifestyle that supports your metabolism for the long haul. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. What's your favorite way to stay active and keep your metabolism happy? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts. See you in the next video.